Hello students, welcome to new lecture series on C programming. So in lecture 1, we will discuss about different data types and ranges. Each variable in C has an associated data type. So a data type can be char, int, float, double. Okay, so each variable is associated with a particular data type. Each data type requires different amount of memory. For example, char is a data type which requires 2 bytes of memory. Float is a data type which requires 4 bytes of memory. Okay. Following are the examples of some very common data type. So first data type is char. Char is used to store a single character. A single character can be an alphabet starting from A to Z, or it can be a number starting from 0 to 9, or it can be a special character. For example, hash. Next data type is int. Int is used to store an integer type value. Integer type value can be 0, 1, 1000, 100, etc. Next data type is float. Float is used to store floating point value with single precision. For example, a human weight can be 56.5. Then we require a float variable to store this value. Okay. Next data type is double. Double is used to store a floating point value with double precision. Okay. Now we will talk about the ranges of the different data types. Okay. So if I am using 32-bit GCC compiler, then my ranges will be different. Okay. So here is a table of different data types and ranges. So first data type is int. Int require 4 bytes of memory or 32 bits. Similarly, float also require 4 bytes of memory or 32 bits. Similarly, signed char require 1 byte of memory or 8 bits. Unsigned char also require 1 byte of memory or 8 bits. In the third column, we have ranges. For signed char, range is -128 to 127. For unsigned char, range is 0 to 255. In the last column, we have format specifier. Whenever we want to print a variable value, then we use format specifier. For example, if you want to print an integer type variable, then you will use %d. Okay. And if you want to print a character, then you can use %c. Okay. Now we will learn how to calculate the range. Range can be calculated using 2's complement form. So for signed number, the range formula is -2 to the power n minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Here n is the number of bits. For example, range for signed char is -2 to the power 8 minus 1 to 2 to the power 8 minus 1 minus 1. So as you can see from the table, range for signed char is -128 to 127. So using this formula, you can easily calculate the range. Now we will talk about unsigned numbers. Range for unsigned number is 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. Here n is the number of bits. So to calculate the range for unsigned char, we will use the formula. So we will get 0 to 255. Just replace the value of n with 8. Okay. So for unsigned char, the range is 0 to 255. Okay. Now with the help of program, we will implement the concept. Okay. Here we have 4 variables of different data types. The first variable is A, which is assigned a value 1. Second variable is B, which is assigned G, a character. And third variable is C, which is assigned a double type value 3.14. And last variable is float F equal to 2.2345F. Okay, so using printf statement, you can easily print the values of the variable. And here we have used size of operator. Size of operator always print the size of the data type. The size of the data type. Okay. So here is the output. So first printf prints integer value which is 1 and size of integer is 2 bytes. Second printf prints a character which is G and size is 1 byte. Third printf prints a double value which is 3.14 and size of double is 8 bytes. Okay, similarly, in the fourth printf statement, a float value is printed which is 2.2345 and size of float is 4 bytes. Okay, so here we end our topic today. We will continue in next lecture. Thank you.